ngeke ngajona lesbian before, but one thing ngamngabuza kayi-1 like guys like ngicabanga
ubuya lapho Tommy lento that
kayi-1
why
I remember girl olalayo esikolweni like hey usutha ngothi ngistabande ngomfana lo
keke ngaka usabanga umuntu abade usabanga umuntu abade ngifala athi and at the time sangibona ama metric athina ngekhala hey sebe sathi ngiyolanda umeruni then ngifaka ibag yami ivala induni ivala ama braids wami bona lakala abafana base class nabo gift ngithi ntwana ushap ntwana
amdala ngiyaba change ukuthi bangasaba bafana babe
let me talk guys
that's why you need to tell me it was a mistake after like ingqondo yami
you enjoyed the mistake
mistake in terms of kissing and sex it's not a mistake
mistake ukuchitha amanzi Tommy ukuchitha amanzi
ithi ibruka lesikole lihlala la
yeah
ibruka lesikole yacaca ukuthi maybe lingenisa netswape like angifuni libe ngathi
likalilulu kanje
likali.
Hi guys, before we get into today's episode, t-shirts are still available guys, 200 each and 350 for 2. Thank you, enjoy today's episode.
Hey guys, Sanbanani, welcome to Kasi Gay Story.
hi guys
hi
bukala
Guys, hey guys, welcome to Kasi Gay Stories 8 Bay.
hi like go tlile pele banyana ka bomb yeah
We came back with our boom.
Like-
So yeah guys, my name is Obi Betty. Yeah, Stamasaka what?
Mama. Jap.
little girl like Bobby pretty face perfect body
Hey, everything.
Black and white bitch.
yes
Yes,
you know in black woman in black today
Hey guys, what's popping? It's a girls push my music. Ibhodlela lakho le.
Ice Propays.
Ngimnandi njengani?
mm.
Thank you.
So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and our show. Thank you.
Today guys are selling one of our friends that's why to black today nyazila
You know, we are
Zile,
we are
shonile.
you know, yeah.
So samzilela.
Sizile abantu kanje.
you know
Mzansi bioscope.
Okay guys.
Mzansi wethu.
So ngikhuluma ngomzansi. I feel like let's pass through that. So guys, today we're gonna speak about lesbians.
Asahlaseleni ke la
Asibahlaseleni nabo basihlasele. Kube like game on game.
J
On and on. Like you get up. Okay guys, today what happened?
kumvovo
Okay guys, today what happened? Okay,
Ama lesbian nokushela sikhona.
oh, I'm a lesbian ngokushela guys, okay? I don't wanna lie. Ngeke ngajona lesbian before, but one thing ngamngabuza kayi-1 like guys like ngicabanga
ubuya lapho Tommy lento that
kayi-1
Why?
to be like that day le bekufukubasela bang like nothing umngani wami usinenhlanhla amazi nosine usine
lo ya lesbian
usine
yeah
so no bengifukubasela yena so usine nale lesbian bebathi ngaba ngathi usine ngafuna ukuthi kule lesbian so le day le lesbian ngayibona bo sharp fine besibuya vele kule nkasi kuyimusine nabangani besibuya like usinene bekabuye ukuyochecka umuntu wakhe ex boyfriend yakhe uRabzeni so sharp makabe buye check uRabzeni vele sihlangana nale lesbian iyehla thina sesinyuka athi usinene nanguka okay yabo sharp asesiya kanjalo ke girl asha guys so ngithake girl umuntu wami lo yibe ngimthatha uGuy ngicabuza bo and then after then mangahamba uGuy ngisinyuke vele nosathi sineka into shop business emthandi yo sengithi simthandi leshaskisi ngibiza umuntu okay la sekada labyo ke shop wale lesbian le okay be lento le uthi guys blah 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 stuff and stuff and lesbian la khona behlala nalo because umngani wakhe bekatshela nomngani wami unomfuyo so okay sharp lesbian nakhona vele bitch na ayike after my days maybe kusasa kakhona ngithi man ngicabuze intombazane
like bonanga kanjani
to me like ngiyabazi ukuthi lesbian, but like after that gas like iqonda nami yantshela ukuthi manje Chomi uncabuze intombazane akusasena lento ukuthi umfana uyini ngicabuze intombazane like how jai ngicabuze umuntu onetsopongi athi mina nami like netsopongi le fake yena netsopongi yamaphela so like ngicabuza like kanjani like cause okay sharp wabala lento ukuthi hayi like ngimbuze Facebook okay sharp sibini sami how did you enjoy the kiss?
That's him.
Yeah, I did. But it won't happen again. That's why. Because when it's in a presence, you're also born. You need to know, I can't, bitch. I can't. Because, like, I can't feel you. When I need to feel the straight, manyana ba.
Manyana ba breast.
Manyana ba nintwe. Yeah. Manyana ba. And then nakinali.
You know,
bathi like mina angchest ngoba nginamabele bathi abantu abachestayo abantu abanamabele mina ngchest because nginamabele yeah yabazi so ke ngamtshela ukuthi no I can't yabo so kwayo into njalo ke manje singama friends
ngathi dry to
okay
phuza things
wena athi
no posta
athi ka shele lesbian wena so
okay
or it's like
so like I'm not done I ngimtshele ke okay ukuthi hayi ngimfana I can't like yenzeke fine ngishap sicela saba bangani ke as mina noSimthandi singabangani naye wela kumngani kaSimthandile like guys it seems like okay seems like a drama but yeah singadlula kuyo but angikho there ngikule tena lethe so
go
okay mina angazi ngishele lesbian just that uthi like khona yini lesbian ne no I can't say uthi like ungani wami it's a connection a friendship
something happened
nothing happened yes just ukuthi nje like bengimthanda like uthando angazi ukuthi like bekathanda kanjani like kanjani uthi angishela akazangishila
over flying fish
no flying fish ubana flying
they always lots of flying fish
no umngani wami like igama lakhe uphano Chomi
uhlala
like ubi classmate yami
angizokhuluma ngo flying fish
flying fish Chomi man
asekaslakho
Chomi igama
ngiyalikhohla lo sekaslakho Chomi
type sing no
I don't show you
no not loyo like classmate yami asemafika high school yes yeah besine khona besabangani
connection
yeah bengimget na anggetha yes like webe kanjani advice ukuthi abani like it is needs to sifunde kuye so uthi angishele I don't remember angishela yazi angazi ngishela islesbian
akazashalwa ilesbian nisho ukuthi akekho that enough yabo yeah
no like mina namanhlangane lesbian ne ngiyangazi ukubeka indaweni yakhe
and like mina ngokubheka kwami le njengoba ngiyibheli ve wonke ama-lesbian wasesikoleni yimi afuna mina and like one thing angibafuni cause ngiyazazi ukuthi ngiyibheli and ngishawa wonke ama-gay
enhlangana nawo
bashaya ngiyitheni
ama-lesbian enhlangana nawo mina ne like I'm a straight lesbian not ama-bisexual or
bisexual chini like phela mina ngiyintombazane so mabangibhekile
like ngabuzini
no Chomi anti like ngiyintombazane so uthi like ucabusile Chomi let's say it she's like I'm a bottom gay
yes.
She's the top lesbian so when you bottom gay I'm a girl so like shukuthi yena bekabona ini icherry kuye
baba so ngabuzile that made you like ukuthi ube yini iverse so like pansexual
that's why you need to tell me it was a mistake after like ingqondo yami
like enjoy the
mistake in terms of kissing and sex it's not a mistake
mistake ukuchitha amanzi Chomi ukuchitha amanzi ngeyi mistake ukungabuzana enjoy that's a mistake
makhamera bathi uthole bathi impi yakho boyimela yeah maybe ngiyayimela okay mistake dimushaju
you enjoyed the mistake like akusibe
Thank God.
No lapha bokuyi baby kiss
Namanga.
to me like ngise nqa okay my best friend
amantombazana la ngengizithi mistake
Wena.
amantombazana ilesibili labonakala ibeli
ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi wait
ibeli labonakala sis
namantombazana yangabuza sho ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi mangishuta nawe like maybe uzothi uyintombazana best friend am okay sishuta sithini
wena mamncomza lo yabo wazi ukuthi ezingayisibhela nje
no not like Katie not like that no you can't be I know
Yes.
no I can't
like bangiyela ukubisa loyala dololo like you know
you see there yes opposite
Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
fake to be fake
Ekakili or
to me no to me like you fake
akusekakili.
to be like usazokuhlebela bara to be fake sithe ngithatha ukuthela kuwe
oh niyanje ngiplanile kanje
Ikuthi.
oh
Akithi nyasho ukuthi maybe lezi zikakili.
no okay to me like ngicokuyibeka
ibeke to sihlale phezulu
okay baby kiss ayingithi
Okay.
baby kiss ngifilile but
So manje ungangcono lesbian.
and or I will never like yabona makangathi nganqabuzela lesbian uNkulunkulu ngicongolali
okay wena mamncabuza like bekuyini ipurpose yokuncabuza kahle kahle
ukubasela umngani wami because bekamfuna and like ngizothini besitshela ukubisana ngabo baby so bokumbase keshapo obi
uyitop
no ngigay obi lesbian answer answer like obuza question manje like obi CP like okay sharp nano obi seems like babasibuza abantu ukuthi mebabambuza uJohn usiqhemeza vele ya ngithola naye uJohn no guy ya ngithola naye like yabo into enjalo so wena ufuna and like mina
akudala
like angikho la just for like ukubasela ukuthi okay sharp ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi like lo muntu omfunayo umuntu like siyaclaimana maka abantu babambuza ngami uthi ngithola naye abantu babangibuza ngaye ngithi ngithola naye so like the time kwaba like nqa yabo azange aba like angeke ngibone ngithi
so what was look like did you enjoy the kiss like baby kissing ngikulandelele
no to me why ngithi like did you enjoy the kiss ne ngisola ukuthi because like to me nale nto ukuthi I kissed the girl but like to me I kissed the girl and she's not straightly like uslenhlanhla akekho straight like usne akekho straight like nomvuyo okay jab okay so like mangimncabuza kanjalo it seems like ngicabuze umfana but oyintombazana like seems like I'm gay she's lesbian he's lesbian like to me angifilanga but guys no you need to understand
I get your point.
So yeah, guys,
I don't get it clearly, but I get it.
Okay.
As long
So guys, as for me, ngingasho la lesbian vele but ila lesbian lawo angathi ucabanga ukuthi bafana kanti hla konje ama-lesbian because bekuyinto yasesikoleni and ama-lesbian amanye bewagcoka ukuthanda ukugcoka i-dry mag yabo so I don't feel like mawugcoke i-dry mag as lesbian esikolweni I don't even khona abangabonakali especially is lesbian leli elikhathi yewena likuyenze uzocotha umfana omuhle or abe muhle mathada uzocotha lo mfana omuhle yabo yakangisha nje bekangishela then nganothi ukuthi oh and bekangithanda like ukushila nami but we never did anything like ngathi he was just happy nje ukuthi
just like me
like isise esikoleni esiwani
angibefrienda kahle
and I felt like kobona masukuthi let's say wena ne is bakuphoqa bathi for being gay na uzohetheka uzokumela futhi yabo so we felt like engathi sisendaweni eyi1 siyakhona ukuleadana yakufana nokuthi yabona ngesikhathi sisesikolweni bebona ukuthi boys that side girls that side bekano mina ngaforced ukuthi like mina ngayitholethe ekuqaleni but yena like besibengathi sihlangana sonke zama gay man because nasikhathi ngisakhombela last as ama gay but is assembly assembly ba mention like siseclassini bathi like all girls report to the main hall all boys. Yo, so things yazi ngiphumekile la guys ne. Ngiphumekile la guys ngiyodinga amanye amagay wasesikolweni ukuthi akuphi. Nabo biba zibuza ukuthi ophi ukuphi yabo like engathi besi
family.
Not just family, but we in the same school, but we on the same role. Like okay, so we need to. Hey, no matter singa ibafaneni siba sonke endaweni eyi-1. You understand?
Mina like kuleyo like bathi abafana le like bengihlezi ngiyi-1 Eastern AC1 esikolweni. Like bengihlezi ngiyi-1. Like bengizimele.
I also be there. Yabona. Bobo fine yamazi siphamandla vele uzobuhle.
Usomdenje.
Uzobuhle.
Lo.
Wasamala.
Oh, lo yeah.
Unamahlo bekana mahloni actually. So like bayana lento ukuthi makafuke toilet akakhona ukuphuma without me. And bese ngiclass li-1 okay.
I mean I've never angathi
ngisaqala ukufika ke esikoleni. You know most the girl.
Who's the girl?
That girl like no bit that gay, that famous gay at school. Yeah, that one.
Yes.
But I like to
champagne.
Let me say,
let's drink to that.
Let's drink
to our school.
Like, but
famous
yeah,
silver ox.
She was the famous girl.
And
like,
she was. She still is.
I'm the one.
She still is.
No, she's not.
She's still there. Like Iguamanja, but she's there.
Hey, yeah. But don't la paya la man.
No, I get.
No,
listen, get bitch. Let me tell you what. Like, okay, sharp. I'm getting okay. Shout out to our school. They got the famous games. They are famous. They are about our school. Like, it's a sin lamne. They banana le tuguti. Our school team much but angeke ufike kuyi. Yabo so ngibena lento ukuthi angithanda competition vele muhle and vele angeke ngifike kuye because why umuntu o like ngithini umuntu obusy nama brand like she was that gay ama brand no chela sayifune
she's the girl
yes she's the girl that she thinks she is
yeah she's the girl
and she is the girl
yes
and then after Khonti changing the school I became part of our school.
We challenge
challenge. I like to me it was a challenge.
Mara yena beka win. Always win.
I know.
Like, yes, she's the girl.
She's the girl she thinks she is.
She's the girl she thinks she is.
Yes.
Like muhle vele. She's a girl. Like and I think wait, one thing. First time ngikala ukumbona Chimi bekakunde like cheese cup. See two besikuna ma cheese cup and people were saying between like our school you see like okay sharp na our school pizza tshela usiswami ukuthi umntana kimi ngichaza she's gay vele nto yabo fine but kube nalento ukuthi hayi asinakali vele ama gay pride yabo hayi school inwele hayi zikhulu inwele yabo ziyakhula same time ziyakhula inwele hayi kube nalento ukuthi hayi ke sharp ungwanyana mina ngichine I benempeti mangicine benempeti angachini yabo sharp ngicine benempeti ngicine ngichacha athi mama makathanda into ukuthi ngichile esikolweni because abakangijwayela bomina ukuthi umuntu onjani hayi mangithi nyogunde khathi Monday ufika nekhathi naye bathi abantu siyatshelana ngithi no bitch we don't yabo sharp kuyele into ukuthi okay sharp qale kuba my friends ke asiqale baba ngani okay
like
I'm the first one
uzoyibuka our sponsors
yeah
don't lie
okay I'm the one vele oqala mbulisa hekhonthi like because usishami uyabhiza ngitshela ngo awusikhonthi mangithi
uyi celebrity from day one
no choma ngithi kuye uqala wangena isilver ox than me before you like nisangena primary usishami uyabhiza ngitshela ngaye awusikhonthi like awusikhonthi okay mangithi ngiyamsearch awusikhonthi ngamtshela ukuthi sifangos akaveli athi no activate ini
account
activate i-account yakhe because what
Deactivate.
what yeah
Uskipele nje
le
Facebook.
yeah because ubhala ama-exam yabo okay hayi ngambona fine mangimbona ngamsendela friend request fine sacheta hey girl what are you doing but chete sesikusiva simfundise babos fine ngambonisa hayi khenzi ushaphi igama lami angibuza ukuthi kimangibithela vele ngamcheck igama lami kwabento njalo saqala kuba my friends hayi sisibusana sakaze sengivakashe class la kangivakashe class lami kwaba like connection hayi kwaba nalento ukuthi athi mina sengimlahlile yabo nithi cho ngikulahle kanjani it's not like mangasazi kuwe ngikulahlile kamele nami ngistike all nomngane nami usukela primary which means ubani uzobuhle yabo ayike fine ukhonze kube like okay ngwanyana vele okay sharp sibabangani senze ayenze ivideo c2 fine I posted ku status sakhe yaku Facebook okay sharp that's new friends in high school fine I fine yeah sure sharp kube into enjalo kube fine okay sharp nami ngenze the same thing sharp but if khona ila angavumi ukuthi ngimshoot okay but ngimshutile ngeforce ngayiposta ngeforce okay sharp kwaba into enjalo okay aphuma ke guess what cala imbuze ukuthi what I like okay sharp I took over his place.
Oh, she was a queen.
She was a queen.
You was a princess.
And then I was a princess.
You?
And then I became. I was the first princess, and then I chumvele coming in for me because like yabona shame lapo.
So if ungaphuma ubani princess, badi queen.
Something.
Since class all about dilanga ma queen.
You by captain like you by competition actually between some danger and Phamandla.
I mean I go with some danger. No, some danger is the queen.
She's the queen.
Yeah.
I can see now that she's doing the most.
But you can see that Phamandla's doing the most. Okay, sharp. Both of them they doing the most, but Phamandla's papa no.
Usomteja oyindoni into nyamanzi Jomi.
Yeah, muhle shame.
Yes, like she's cute.
So guys,
like both of them.
Yeah, like bonke bad. Just that Ula Uspamanda, like she's more of a girl.
And then like in the
like sister band.
Naskhathi ngiqabane nabo boyithu. They became closer. And then
manje sicela why sinama queen. Yini okwenza ukuthi ube queen?
That's what I wanted.
What makes you a queen?
What makes us a queen?
And what makes you think I was supposed to be queen?
Yes.
Who told you I was supposed to be queen?
Shame like akusumuntu ongitshela ukuthi awusikhonze queen.
Just
Ngicabanga kwami
uyi-queen.
Cause
Yini
why?
eyenza ukuthi
Why? Because I'm nabafana bengisaba abafana. You see, like because like ukuthi mangihamba
Guys, abafana basenza
yeah,
queen.
yo.
Like
Abona ukhonzi shame vibe yakhe.
Amsakhaleli kwenza i-queen.
Like ukhonzi vibe yakhe esikoleni like ile ethi yeah ngala bayithi masindala like vele wathi like
school mina vele being queen of course.
Like
Because
daddy
we
just
were-
queen.
you were ubheka uMandla wenzani.
To me, mina bokhona amagama amaningi esikoleni sami.
You were ubheka uMandla wenzani. And lamagela awo bebayenzani bebabona ngawo ukuthi always be like it's
She was a queen before
So me uyabona uSport. One thing about mina now it different. Mina ngisangena kwa mina yazi kwenza kanjalo. Wena ngithi uthi masongena high school bokhuni queen.
Oh, I was supposed, but
Mina
I was the first
a primary, I don't wanna lie. I was the famous kid.
And I'm a primary famous with the opposition.
Like to me, then queen at primary, mina. Then queen.
Everyone is
Eman guys. Guys, could many I get to Emma Tom. Escolen Sam mina. Nami ngifike uyazi first day umama kuyagcokisa you know even abangcokisa but
mina ngifuna short
bathome mina like ngagcoka nje nomali yazo ezumfana oyisikweni nje
loyo
so esikoleni I never high school vele like angithi mangise classini they thought ukuthi ngumfana amajita nawo so ngathi ngapha intobazana izidi and like ngitozana ukuthi the way gcoka khona la uniform the way bayixoxela khona it's boy
guys like
ibambe zap so nesikhathi ngise classini vele abajita nawo angithi sibafuna ukwenza bangani yo amajita angibhek and I'm not there so khona lo girl ophavuka ngithi shemzongwe ngithe like abana sengithi Chomi ngicabale ngipen babona ukuthi you know what
nganyana
so Chomi yazi ngithi
ula
ngihleli la
Kulesandla esikhulu.
ngihleli ngithi like Mangjon ma'am, what's in it? My name is O'Brien Daba. That's okay. But so yeah, there's a new student. Okay. Ngathula ngahlala phansi. So there was a seat kuthi like semasphakathini khona intombazana khona umfana. So angazi ukuthi like I had to sit in the middle ngithi hey nangu munye amajita futhi ene like bahlele emuva mzala la.
Uyabazi basifuna emuva.
Mina ngila and abafana bayaxoxa you know. Then abafana sengathi bafuna ukubulisa lo mjita and I'm not da like I get bad.
Awukho there.
Ibambe. That's why they have been like that. Iphume ngoba uthi ngoni queen rap. So ibele guys try the cut yes they are cuts leya it's boys. Vele maqeda ngathi chemi ngicongele ngipen. Yo majika nawo sewangathi ayakhuluma ngithi danke yabona bengifuna vele lokho ukuthi bangangiboni siphuma sonke la then sengithatha ipen kaChomi ngiyabhala uChomi ngiyambuza ngithi sibhalani so vele uyabona ukuthi uChomi
Sofuna ukungena ufuna ukufana ukuthi ngistabane ngazongijwayela kabi mjita
batho vele uChomi uthi oh okay then ngiyangitshela ngithi okay Chomi okay sengiyabhala so khona umnye ugirl kulela class ongazi like ngisawokha ngiya esikolweni eprimary uyazi vele ukuthi ngigay so beka umngane kanti ka lo girl engimtshila ipen masiphuma kulela class athi oh ngathi hello ngithi sabe sesihamba sonke so amajita yamangala ukuthi and then unfortunately vele I had to be myself this time because Chomi yangazi
so hama namakhe
okay ngata Chomi like issue yazi so that day vele sengiyaphuma kulela class leliyana nabangani bami besikolo abangani bami besikolo kanjani wayesengishesha kangaka njalo so abogela laba sengiyaphuma nabo eclassini vele because it was second period like grade 8 so of course sengihamba nge1 year then sesihamba and ngilandela labo girl kanti labo girl sebaza kimi bathi B kunjani ngithi ngisharp anevele ngiyambona ukuthi bengimazi but besingakhulumisana like engathi primary yakhe beyise kaslami mina i-primary yami ile like not ngaseklasini like but masiwalker like ngiyekuseni uyangibona mina ngiyale enihlela ngibona like nje ngisabane vele yabo so vele mama kwinto ukuthi ukushaya leya cut ye-first day of school yabona i-fresh ngasifana vele so vele sesiyaxoxa vele so vele abafana nje sebayabona ukuthi man this is hayi nami nje lewe ngizibamba ngakhona ene futhi ibruka lesikole lihlala la yabo ibruka lesikole
uzathili
ibruka ngilihlalisa la like liyacaca ukuthi maybe lingenisa netswape like angifuni libe ngathi
likalilunu kanje
likali vele ke ilibheki bekibeka ngivala induna ngabona ukuthi high school no ihlala la ibheki khona kubonakala inyash sharp ngabe sengibeka la phezulu phela like ngaba yabo then bangijwayela man I feel like then bangijwayela then yeah then bacale baba somehow because one eclassini baba somehow and futhi bokhona ama gay yabona wena ngithi wena uthi bokhona queen lesikweni sami bokungana queen bokhona ama gay bawagcwele bewala ama gay lawa ku grade 12 or 11 yabo and bongasile ama gay lawa
peaceful
no not mina ngithi ngisasongivele nje ngisiqoqisa yeah angisifihla ngabathi bayangaza abanye like primary uyazi ma grade 8 siyaza badile asichina nje ngishayikhathi nje and futhi mama ngiyangisena kunyenza le nje inweza bezingaka la biziningi bezinkulu vele ngishayina ama line ayithu la vele like uyazi masisikole sharp then esikoleni vele bokungana la magay man la yana you know but bewa magay vele like aphapayo tell me so vele ngiyababona and ngifela ngathi ama magay like bewa too hyper they were too hyper and everything so I'm not living and ngifela ngathi ama gay wonke ane crew yabo yamantombazana so nambe nginale crew yami vele and then baphuma ngithi nje ukuthi bokhona like ama gay la and ama lesbian ama matric maybe grade 11 aphuma the moment aphuma I
became OP
angizange be istane but ngifune ukuchina because mina bengumuntu we social media ngicina grade I think 9 8 mara lethe term le
Term 3, 4.
yeah term like le kuma term 3 term 4 chum bese nje like bengifuna ukuba fast marito yangenza ukuthi ngicine i-social media bese ngicabanga ukuthi lamagay lawa ayane gate esikolweni kanjani bengibona amagay akashuta ne-uniform esikolweni I think bangangivumela na but angicina ngento eserious the time ngacina like ama-line yabo ama-line laphezulu kulenwele lezi vele ezila umama angicina kamnandi kanjani then vele like ngicabanga ukuthi mahambe kancane so the moment I said and as why ngicabanga ukuthi ngicotha ngifuba ufoka lipstick direct ngithi you know
ngikhumbula umtshela
ufoka lipstick kanti angifuba ufoka lipstick ngifuna ukuqhina sonke ishebo nje sonke lonke so ulibelathi khatha la ngithi ngiyakhulisa la ngathi mama azange ayiqonde ke leyo then and so the moment mina ngiciniswe abantu engibabona like amanye amagay kuma social media hayi esikolweni then mangicina vele ngacina manje then mase ngiya ku grade 9 and 10 then kwaba namanye amagay aphansi kwami mawaza vele mina ngathi sengiyaziwa and futhi wasikwenza ngisibheka abaphethe abafana maybe intwana mina labo gel bengihamba nabo like abafanini but bengakhulumi nabo but bebangangijwayeli
kahle yazi nabo plaka wabo Chantel
omngalo plaka umngalo
okay singicabanga bakakhonthi ne wabo Chantel uMandisa ubani konje lo lutshana nebhinqa konje ubani
hebo usinthandile
maybe ithola ukuthi yena
lokho lo ojwayele ibhinqa kamntana kamemwa
uma ukuphinda lazalo ngizomuna umntana
okay sharp
ujwana nebhinqa partner yakho ligama lakhe so bese ngakhe ujwana nebhinqa ngelo one baba bangani bakhe bebayi4 plus noma skitcha phezulu kwalokho
okay so mina nasasikhathi vele sengicina khona lamake futhi mina vele like I felt like since lamake aphumile ngi1 yabo namanye ama lesbian vele bengizwana nabo but I was now scared but into bengicina le time bezi normal bengicina ama-line kakhulu kuqala ku-happy guys ngayigcina umama mangazi ukuthi ngicinile bengisaba nokungena endlini that day and ngiciniwe yabo so ukucina happy bengicina ama-line ngithi grade 8 khona lapho sengifuna ukubuyela grade 9 like ngiyababasela ukuthi nje ngiyabuya so ngabuya nginama-braids ngine-twist yabona khona le twist le namakhala le liyatsho man wayibona like
leno maroon
yes baby
grade 9 lapho
phela bengine-chisco ubone lena nesikhathi ngikhombisa like bengine-chisco buka leyana ngathi bukuyi-grade nini
maybe it was grade 10 le maroon 10 or 11 because it wasn't grade 9
it wasn't grade 9 maybe 10 or 11 lapho but it was maybe ukuthi maybe ngathi sengiya like 10 or 11
ophumayo
so vele mangithi yazi ngenza ngachina i-twist even actually it wasn't the first twist yazi leyana ngashuda ngayo ngoba ngibasele kakhulu ngashuda i-twist like normal chumi like i-twist nje and bengithanda i-twist
leno blue
chumi yasikele lawo amanye ngagcine ngi-twist emnyama chumi just nje angishuthanga ngayo le red ihamba ne-school uniform yami yabo then ngagcina i-twist ngachina for isikhathi lesisincane leso esikolweni so mangishuda lapha esikolweni angizange ngishuthe ngayo yabo bengisafuna ukuzwa bomem ukuthi bathini yabo and futhi mina ke since I think grade 10 lapho ngicina leyo twist of grade 9 then leya and then since mina bese ngithandwa ngokuchina ngifika ngathi yabona awusikhonthi umotho mnike i-crown uyilamantombazana athi Tommy like ngwanyana and like she's the girl no it's not about the wave confidence yabona nothing hits like angeke yabona i-confidence itsho mina ngakenza ukuthi udume esikolweni bathanda confidence yabo so
ama-gas fihlile bawathi
Thomas ngiyasho ukuthi ukuba iqueen kwakhe wena mina ukudescribe kwami ukuthi une confidence yabo because nami the time sengichina I gained like Tommy yazi bengikhapha market Tommy from ukuthi ngifuna grade 10 mara ngithila nama matrices abantu ngithila nama matric line like bafuna ukuthila nami abangani bami ngiyathi Tommy ngeza ne ngizula isikolo
nama matric ufana namjo
so yabona the time and the time sengibona ama matric athina ngekhala sebe sathi ngiyolanda uMeruni sharp and futhi teachers lami Meruni ngayochina ama braids a black and maroon because lama braids I maroon chom like yabona pouch maroon loya ijes lami limeru akho red maroon chom like yabona le yakho but it was maroon chom it was kanjani then ngabona lama grade 12 athi wena achina ngamakhala umiss ntontona akayifuni mara mina ngifihla ngebheki vele mangena esikolweni yabona like ama braids ama black la then ngifaka ibhek yami ivala induni ivala ama braids wami ngene esikolweni mangena esikolweni ngiba on amasimba sharp so girl ngachina itwist yo dinga okay mama vele bese kavumi ngajaha ukuvu like ngilala kanje
Shikata you know yaphula le time ophansinile khona ama beats bakabeka akazi ukuthi kucilile that time bekazi bakhula le day shop right baceda ukuchila ngize ngithi bukuthe kaba butterfly
oh yeah
Job ngisifihlele njaba ngithi job subs shop right ayithi ngisifihle ke nje lapha ke stock
abazi
bake stock ngiphuba jacket
already for
Apol baba bayazi okay shop lele fana nokulala kwami ukulala ngivuka ukuthi ngibheke isikhathi ngikho
so sharp vele ngithi bagcine ameruni
phela
so vele
after way
so khulumile phela nje ayo angeke phela
okay sharp guys okay so vele ngichinile vele nalo yameruni and ngicine umngane wami umunye umngane bokubani lo munye ngikhohle inkozi mina nyabathana abangane bachina vele because yabo bayagcinana sharp so ngichinile angikhona ukulala sis idonut engilifathile engakanani and futhi mama mje bekadinekile le day mara ngithi what man yo to me like ngithi ngiyazilungisa ekseni ngiyazilungisa confidence ithini then umntwana omshane vele angilanda athi chomi yo ngithi choma sambi asambi masifika esikolweni angazi man ngithe ithingene eli because bengisabikhala yabo ngizilengisile vele because ngifuna babone ukuthi touch my doll girl because lapho esibayini yabo ukuthi labatanda benza noma yini mara ama metric and obuzibona ngathi siyadikile le ake ngishayele ngangena fast esikoleni bangasarasi Chomi like
bayarasa
like
izinto
yabona the way benza ngakhona ne bebeng P nabafana bathi mani yo ngapha ngiyazitshela ngiya eclassini ngigogo ngeclassini so kanti asendi le day yo omnye mem athi le khala le inkinga ukuthi abanye bomem abakwazi ukuthi ufunda grade bani maba sesikolweni hayi wonke umem ongazi like ukubona omnye mem agese mani because bekangibuza ukuthi ufuna grade bani manzi mina ngifuna mara anxiety metric yo ngifuna grade ngifuna grade 10
yo bila legazi
macela lapha athi kimi le khala lena kusasa ngifuna ukuyithola ingekho it's okay ma'am yo bani ngithi yothela labangani baba Chomi yini le nto le umuhle ngithi ya ngeke yo vele ngabe sengicina ngayo Chomi like ngaba yilesa stabani and ngapha khona idabani ezinye like abo olona and stuff like Chomi like I felt like yimi ngiphethe but I didn't want ukuthi ngiphethe but ile afa imvele ngifuna ukuthi ngiyaziwa yabo like bayangazi ukuthi and bathanda confidence because that's why bezingishela nabantu abaningi and stuff ne CV sintombazana bengivala isikolo uyangazi ukuthi bengichayba esikolweni vala stage ngiyavala and futhi bengumuntu othanda like ukubonwa like I show off but bengichila nabogela abahle abana bafana yabona abafana bakhona basuke but mina bengabathanda ukukhuluma nabafana ngisilesa sitabane vele namanje I wouldn't call yabona like abafana baseclass nabo gift ngithi mntwana ushap mntwana shap
mntwana
I'm not okay I'm not like I feel like
mina ngifeel like ukuthi kaSlamne wonke umfana uyangithanda and like wonke umfana she's falling to that like yabona into le
hi guys mina so that's why angibathanda abafana so that's the thing
and I feel ngathi ngiyaba change ukuthi bangasaba abafana babe
let me talk guys
so that's it guys
I hate guys like
abafana laba bayakwazi ukuchange
okay so adakhuluma ke guys
let me tell you my story bitches okay mina ngicela ngokuchina mina awuchina ngacala ukuchina grade 7 ngefarewell ngacala phezulu kuphela that's when I started to plait my hair okay ngayimakhaya grade 8 mangifike emakhaya grade 8 things straight like sengigundile of course because it's got some akuchina
feeling ngathi indoda ke manje
yes like primary beyakazi ukuthi ngistabane bengidumile like from primary bangiza ngomshado like bamenza ngesibongo that's why ngizibiza like mshado Adrian because like umuntu ungazi ngegama la ngisibongo okay so manje high school like the first day kumele like omunye nomunye angene nedesk like esikolweni eclassini kahle ama-desk angaphandle kumele usithuzele so mangena ngaphansi like angazi ukuthi ethe kanjani because ngistabane ngangena nedesk ngalala like ngingugeli olalayo esikolweni like ngugeli olalayo mangena utitha ngiyavuka
stress akafuni babone ulele
okay so ngaba ne-desk mate yami like I think ungibona ukuthi ngistabane like udlala bakadlala nami udlala ngibamba uthi umfana straight so like ngathi hey futhi angithi ngistabane ngisomfana lo
keke ngakade usabanga ubutabane udabanga ubutabane umfana athi oh
like injalo
hey okay
so kanjalo like
mara phela umuntu esikwembeka icrush yami oyenza into encane ocela ipeni
so that's when I ngahlangana nomunye umfana straight so waqala ukuba mngani wami like wangibuza into eziningi like into ezinjalo like wangi-understand so ngaba nabangani ama-twins amantombazana that's when ngaqala ukuba like uba out yes esikolweni ngaqala ukujala amantombazana ajala ini abafana so that's when abafana abo-girls bangilinka nabafana so that's when ngajala abafana then after grade 8 like ngaba out vele mara isikole akuqhina esikolweni awugcoki like into like umfana umuntombazana isiketi usigcoka sifikela emadolweni so injani indaba then grade 9 lo mfana lo bengihlala na esitulweni bengihlala grade 9 so salwa like ngathi sisilana mina naye saxabana vele sangakhulisa the whole year masihlala sonke skin sangakhulisa the whole year grade 10 I shame ngaba intombazana girl
what gay
yo cho
yeah
le position it's mine
maya grade 10 ngathi abafana abadala abafailile like
vele abaskevile abafana abafailile laba bafunele itabane
yabona ke bangifika phala bangijabulela and anginankinga nabafana vele
abafana bajabula kanjani bangena like mongena nabafana abafailile bayajabula ukuthi ngena la lestabane class
angithi benginemali vele like
benching mara ke abazathi abheka
no izathi like ngebreak vele angithi mele sikhipha ima sithenge iplate vele asiphakisi sithenge iplate sidle iplate
loaded
yes ngiyathenga vele ngiyasadla no sometimes like that only mali yathenga ijalo so masingena mali vele sithenga atha namafishi siyadla like siyaphakisa injalo then that's why ngajala abafana abogeli abangileke ebafaneni because abogeli bahle vele bafuna wonke umuntu esikolweni so yeah ngathi bengifuna ukuthi vele ethi yayi kuphela kakhulu wena ngarekhisa ugrade 10
you need to be honest
I need to be honest vele ngarekhisa ugrade 10
abafani lapha ababondile lapha abaphakisa
it was during i-COVID-19 then labafana labayana baphasa cause angithi bona bafailile mawufilile angithi awufili ayi2 yes bahamba bangishiya ngayenza history vele ngahlangana nabanye abogeli vele nabanye abafana saxoxa yabona qala ukubhema khona
mama
yeah like yo chula abafana like nokubhanka isikolo nokubaleka isikolo ukudoja like bangifundisa yonke
honest nami ne go class register from grade 8 bokhona umnye umfana beyahlezi asemva kwami so bengiyazi ukuthi on the next grade ngambala
hey
crush loyo told me no matter exam semva kwami ngimudzanda utisakhanya
yo
lisakhanya ngithanda
mina
uyazi
ithi ngikhuluma
ngiyangana uhlala la emuva kwami
okay guys mama mention abangani uthatha bakha high school ithi ngicanga abamungkhume Mrendeni and amathinsa i2 awo Andisani no Funi adi ma emu
Munyo art.
yes. That's why babambiza ngomshado because abo advan igama adibawo is like a vendor, like it's a like igama eli popular, like elidumile umuntu abo advent. Yes. So yeah, yilabo aboma emu washudu in like labo like lenkwaqwa lengizeveza lapho bazovela lapho ku screen. Yeah, yibo engudle nabo abo elina yibo engifele nabo
Ama crush.
Siyasho baba
ama crush wam
Was high school.
yes.
Okay.
Crush yami qala it was Ukhuliso. Then kube no Renaye from grade 9 from grade 9 to 12 I crush am since all along. Then kube no bani by 3 man. Oh no exhibits. Ukukhuluma exhibits ama lips amahle. Yo. Lapho kuninkinga kanani?
Abezithume zabo. Abezithume zabo.
Ngizosiveza. No, like that by straight bona angba expose
on not exposing them.
Yes.
Ngokulandela ke.
Then yeah, grade 11 grade 12
ngibona la shame.
Okay, 12 na campaign.
Ngimshakela she was bad like crush.
Grade 12 na ingathoma. Sakatela.
Wait, carry on.
Okay, grade 12 December or September. Say campaign. Yo, guys. Lapho
Bagdabaza isikhulu qiniso.
Angizwanga.
Hawu labanga.
The high school.
No, abafana like abafana. No. Angizwanga yazi mina ngibreakela stay. Like mina ngisiphethe kahle shame. So grade 12 guys ne ngaya campaign yesikole. So kuleyo camp leyo abafana bane room labo. Abogeli bane room labo.
Nikambulane nabafana ke ayikho ini.
Nogeza mina ngikhetha nabafana like mina ngaqala ukuyenzani ukhetha namantombazana. Then umem lo ophethe camp wangibona ukuthi mina ngivela nabogeli ngenza inabogeli. So bangise officeini nabangifika officeini like bangibuza ukuthi like yini wena uyini kahle kahle ngacala ku like lento leya like imenza ukuthi ukhale nawe ubona no not let me like uthi ufuna umem wonke la usay yeah umem wonke akutshela ukuthi wena umfana a convince
discriminate.
Yes, something like that. Like uzokhale na officeini uthi hayibo bakutshela ukuthi bazokuxosha ecampaign because ulala like ngaze ngilala nabafana ke ngaze ngathi okay ngizokuyeka ulala nabogeli ngiyabafanele mangifika abafanele vele abafana like bangibona ingikhala bathi no way ayikho into ayenzayo umem ini ayikusuke the next like ba understand abogeli abafana vele ngalala lapha abafanele. Then yeah angidliwanga vele campaign vele like plus mina bengiyi-prefect ye-camp vele bekuyimi organize ukudla yonke into like I was the queen because isikoleni bengiyi-queen. I was the only gay school like I was doing the most
like whatever.
Yes ukuqhina bengaqhini because bengaqhini esikoleni.
Okay, can I address
the nation?
Can I address the nation?
Yes.
Ngicela ukukulungisa i-country. Kadlala. Okay, drop. Okay.
Indaba yokuthina
ngikukhuluma. Jabo kingonyana vele okay jabo ngana-5 ngathi ngama-hippies vele. Ngafihla ukwathenga kwami ngakhapha u-Alisha.
Alisha
yena yedwa sisimakoliti.
Yes.
Angikaphi anithazi ngathenga ama-happy set-top brand. Iyakhe braid. Iyakhe braid.
Qale ngayo kanti.
Qale ngayo.
Mina ngiqale nge-1 million.
Lapho ngiyiphile vele.
Okay.
Bengakabi nemali vele le mali yami yokukhera le ngayise. Baba 30 rand, 10 rand. Bengikhera 10 rand eshwayo. 30 rand nami. Hayi ngisile. Ngithenga ama-size 4, ngithenge 4-3.
Oh, kukhona something ne like before into ngicabangile indaba like ye walk Ngisakhumbula ngikhombisa i-TikTok yami
esikolweni yes ufake le matric jacket ufake le lakho le Puma ufake jean
ngaqala ngokuwa true not last
year
so yeah into ngifuna
leyo uthi balo la ku-industry
basakhumbula wena ngikhombisa
usekhuphula
let's go senkomo
yes sibheke in white my love
fast mina iwalk ngiyadala ngiyenza iwalk nama receipts
ufake ufake just now
wenza nale futhi ethi boys at school will never look at me udla ini ubhaka esikolweni
okay yeah
yes continue
yeah angazi to meeting at 3 or 4 uzothi
4
yeah it was 4 yeah ngiyakhumbula because alishelo wangixosele nge-C1 sharp like ngafihla for 3 days amalolo ngafihlela ngiqokelela amabhitsi omntana kithi ngawatshontsha ngafaka kuphi eplasticini ngifaka pinki kwelinye iplastic sithole nyawa account ngifaka up blonde gold kwenye plastic ngifaka silver kwenye plastic ngifaka like the water one the waterish ngifaka pinki kwenye plastic okay sharp ngiyakutsho mchumchini achoma ngikami bokule ngize chomle day ngisangikama kabuhlungu ngize ngithi chuchoma ngikama kabuhlungu. It was that day sharp. Achoma ngiqhine vele ngicela faka amabhitsi uchoma ngishise hayi abantu njalo athi chumncane ngikhaphe eShoprite ngiyenza ni
bhala iDStv
ngiyobhadala iDStv hayi athi ophiwe chuma ngikhona mama ukhona kamele ngenzeni
okay
sharp vele angisela ndaba lokuthi sesiqinile hayi ngifake ijezi lami le-Adidas ngifake iPuma jacket lami lemnyama but the old one not that one the sweater one hayi sharp vele bento njalo hayi ngifihla ama-happy vele athi adufihlela nje ngithathe ngiyabanda
ana siyathanda
ngifaka
ngiyabanda
chumiselele 10 rand man hayi ngithenga ama-butterfly kube mnandi hayi sharp hayi ngilali fine mama makazanga ngilaka ngalala mangivuka vele kunethi imvula ngithi yazi la ngifake ijezi lami
lesikole yeah
ngifake isikole sesikolo ngabala ngafaka ama-hips phakathi hayi man ngoba nanto ukuthi athi usisami iblazer yami incane usuzoyithatha ekuseni anzi vele soka sonke ekuseni hayi ngathi ubani ngaya kwagogo wami ngathi hayi mama ukuthi uzongibona iblazer ngakhulula ngakhombisa ugogo wami ngathi ngicina nathi ucina yonke asemuhle sharp ngihambe vele wasisami akhiphe iblazer ngi-ayine hayi sokuyimlo sengifasa iphonde lilapha nama-butterfly
phezu kwekhanda
nje ngiyangena esikoleni ngikhishwa vele semuhle fine ngibona asukuthi ngiphume etoilet nje ukuthi ngiyangena etoilet ngamdlula
wena like ucine before uhunzi
yes yimi ukhombise zonke indaba zasesikoleni
uhunzi like it was a wave girl
bekumuntu omzana ama-waves hayi aswafuthi ukuthi msengcinile uyadlula hayi fine sharp vele ngithathe maskisi ukuthi nje bengisafika ikhanda lami okay sharp hayi fine ngichina vele utsho bangichine ongachacha ngachina amalana emuva sharp kwento njalo ke ngoba elinye matric ebalibiza usiphe lachina fanele sichina ama-line tonto yabo into njalo mama makazange ayithanda sharp kusasa kwakhona umama amachayisa ebusuku shithi makachayisa ebusuku ngilale ukuthi mama makabuya mfuyo vuke ishesha ngifake isigqoko ngifake ijezi hayi ngelinye la ngumama ngibhaca ngisathi nyaka businevele ngifasa amaphonda ayi-2 mangifasa amaphonda ayi-2 kanjalo hayi mama ngibona athi lesikhala ngithi hayi ngichinile athi uchinile ngathi akudala athi mama uyathanda ukuforce into engithi ukayenza hayi angingamnaki fine hayi kwagogo wami vele ngihlale sengesabuya kithi vele ngathi mama mathi khathana manje hayi sengihlale vele kwagogo wami ngihlale ngiyalala ke manje angisafukhatha ama-hips ngifuke ekuseni ngigeze ngithathe impahla zami mama athi usiqomezele lapha athi magogo wami okay ngikanento uthi angeke achine usiqomezele amazi kahle uyiqaleko angeke azinakekele inyoyo hayi yabona ke sho ukuthi okay liyashintsha le style hayi njengoba ngisitshintshe itayile yamanje nginamanga ngisheshe ngajampa ngicine la njengoba ngisichela angisakhumbula utshomi bengikunde ikhathi angichina ibheni embhethi la athi tshomi uzopetsha iphondo
ngithukile
athi mama mlethe ukuthi usangivuka manje makavuka nayo yavuka
abuzobona igaqa sethi
hayi kazi yongithukile yokuchinile ngithukile ngingafune ngesikolweni hayi sharp hayi sharp ke hayi ukuthuka kwami ngithi manje usuka ngiyaqhaqa opeskisi ngaqhaqa Thomi ngachacha ebusuku akulali nje ubaba kulele acicela ukuthi kame athi nekamera lami hayi ngichacha ngithi hayi ngeke uphi la ngizoshaywa kanti ke kwaba into ukuthi ukhisha usengifasa amaphola ethu sengwanyana vele umanyana wa interpret kalipi hayi kwaba into njalo vele esikoleni sengijwayele ukuthi ukhisha lestaba wasicela kwalandela lestaba sematric vele lestaba sematric boke lestaba lesisihlayo athi biza chana malana emuva achana ama free hand hayi phela mina ngisachini manje hayibo sokenzakaleni hayi sharp angiphume lapho vele angiphuma lapho vele ayike sengiqala ukuchana ama benefits ngifaka iphone ngichana ama benefits iphone inyele zami isikhule vele ngingayi ngaso esikoleni hayi obhangichini ngahlala kancane ngalo mchano lo vele angaza ngithanda ukulasta ngomchini hayi ngihlale vele kwaba into enjalo hayi jiki kwavale ikolo ngingakhi 26 September bokulede nyaka uphi ehotel yakhumbula for netball hayi sharp usho ukuthi girl uchine straight back ene kunetball bathi abafuni into elengayo yamalona yama hips bathi sichine inama controls nama controls which means ini ama free hand angithi bani mina ngiyobona ezinye igaba ngichine controls never hayi chine straight back ngicela straight back ya mangicela straight back bela leto ukuthi ukaxosa ka computer nami alapho vele washo ngona ama competition ya computer sharp
pages aqalile manje
ama pages aqalile ha sharp fine vele kwaba mnandi vele camping netball don mangibe esikoleni vele ukatla ufake ifrontal angafaka frontal kanjalo othi kimi guys nami bekamele ngiyifakile le frontal le benge ngikhona usiboshi mangibhekile ku status ucin straight back like bebazomscreamela i1 hayi sharp inside it's fine okay sharp kube mnandi vele sesizula sonke fine ngicina straight back manje sikoleni kamele bangibone ukuthi ngwanyana ki straight back hayi
mara vele like something ama frontal amfanele vele
ngihlala vele
ma age
uyayenza sharp
ngayi
yazi itheleka ethi
umuntu wami engiflethana esikoleni
uzama ukuthi usithole bheki
unayo
umfana
naye umuntu wami
ithi ngibengela yami qade notsebe like umfana vele uthi ngiyamfuna or ngiyamazi before sika kakhulu khona thina singajump kuyi you understand or uthi umuntu wami you understand ukuthi thina singasheshesi
afaka amazipho lapha
okay nomuntu wami serious
like umuntu
okay which means ubani
usaba nokumusha
awumazi
ngikhohle ngicongene Facebook umuntu wami ngeke ngamposta
he's also my name
athi omukaki
he's also my name
athi
this movie
athi umuntu wakhe sharp okay ngithi okay sharp ujana mnganami show which means ujana naye yabo athi naye
usibashi unayo umuntu mar like lo umuntu
like physical person not social media
physical
just be honest usibashi unayo umuntu
like physical not social media
yeah
lo aduke wayo check ayombamba nami ngambona angena yo check wena
asazi
nina ngazi mina ngayi
so like
physical
benginayo actually
umuntu like not umuntu akufonelayo uthi yo ngisashuta ngizokubona manje like umuntu
like benginayo sithole
manje awusenayo
manje like usekahlala eKZN
okay
so yeah kwaba njalo ke
okay
kwaba ukuhlukana so
because I know ukuthi uyena uthatha inamba ukuvota
bese kwaba nalo manje ke ya into njalo so ke lo wasesikoleni vele bayi2
ayibo
basesikoleni
Curious exposure.
Usiboshe unama-crush kahle kahle.
Asikhashana.
Right now,
right
now angana muntu Usiboshe unama-crush like ufuna like she just want laba bantu.
Umuntu uthole uzokhomenta lapho. Uzokhomenta. Uzobona leso sikhomenta. My man, could you please comment? Bangone njengoba ufuna ukukhuluma ngani yathana muthi waka vele rebo sisuthu.
Okay.
Kawuthi my love.
We know you for.
You gotta comment one thing ne.
Yeah.
Ki o onje tsoga like ujolali wena nenka ubutsa ka yena ki yena oh
He knows me from text account like before you.
I know that.
Do you know that?
Yo guys,
I'm the queen.
Okay. I'm not the queen. You will never ever be a
I'm
queen.
the queen.
kule relationship boy.
Okay, sharp. Guys, asiphume lapho.
Kule man I'm considered school relationship and like I'm the queen kule relationship. But I'm not sure else.
Okay guys, okay
Ngokuya
guys.
kwakho. Guys, sayibala ukuthi asiva lo.
Okay, Valadi show.
So guys, for today sayibala, but my man, could you please comment? Bese namzokulandela phezulu.
Baby, please comment on happy hour.
Even content because I saw about bakubhayi.
Yes.
Like makafaka kubhathisa ngekeke.
I'm your mama. You eat here.
Fake it now.
Like look at that thing is now it's just something. It's just something. It's not your mother. I'm
Italo baba.
We
Mntana yakhe
Mina he calls me umza mama because udlala.
mina nginibelela kade
Ulala.
Yo, yabona kulephi? Angikho shame at least. Oh my god, maybe I'm just
Baby, Chucky, like I'm your mama. I'm the big mama. I'm Nicki Minaj. I'm the queen. You're the king.
Yeah,
And you are the princess. Okay.
Okay, you are the queen. He's the prince.
He's the queen.
You are
He's the king.
He's the
Guys.
I'm the owner. You listen. You hear him?
Which means you are his.
When we side chick, I'm a main chick.
No.
Okay, guys.
I'm the
Bye.
I'm the main chick.
Subscribe.
Word of the day, subscribe.
Bye, guys.
I'm a girl, black Barbie, pretty face, perfect, like.
Everything's perfect, bitch.